Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating rooftop, and for today nga I finally decided kung ano nga ba yung magiging mechanics natin para sa ating grow light giveaway. And if you haven't watched yung previous video natin, dun ko nga in-explain na magpapamigay tayo ng isang grow lights, yung Mars Hydro TS1000. Hindi siya brand new pero good as new siya kasi hindi ko naman siya nagamit masyado and well-maintained nga yung grow lights na iyon. And so, if you wanted to join our grow light giveaway, sobrang simple lang ng ating mechanics. So, syempre, dapat naka-like and follow ka sa ating Facebook page, naka-subscribe ka sa ating YouTube channel, and at the same time, i-share mo na din ito publicly sa inyong timeline. Ayan. So, syempre, yung game natin is very simple lang. All you need to do is hulaan kung ilang pots of succulents ang meron nga dito nga sa ating succulent table. So, yun yung i-comment ninyo below. So, for example, ang hula ninyo is 150 pots. So, i-comment nyo yung 150 pots below. Then, don't forget to tag 3 of your friends. Ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple. And kung sino yung makakahula, then siya yung magiging winner natin. And I just wanted to clarify na yung succulent pots na tinutukoy ko would be like this. So, ito yung white pots natin. Ayan. So, hulaan ninyo kung ilang pots na ganito ang meron sa ating succulent table. Kasi may mga succulents din tayo na hindi nakatanim sa ganitong klaseng pot. So, for example, yung mga succulents natin na nakatanim sa mga smaller pots like this, hindi siya counted, including yung mga nakatanim nga dito nga sa ating terracotta clay pot. So, yun lang. Actually, yung mechanics natin is very simple. Hindi ko na kayo papahirapan. So, make sure to guess right. Ayan. So, kasama rin pala yung ating mga leaf propagations. Ayan. So, as long as nakatanim sila sa white pot na ito, it's counted. Ayan. So, yun lang. You are only allowed to comment once. Kaya, diskarte nyo na kung kailangan ninyong i-pause yung video para mabilang yung mabuti, then you can do it. Sa side na to, lahat sila nakatanim sa ating white pots except for the Graptolarius one at saka yung Choco Moonstone doon. So, bali, dalawang pots dito ang hindi kasama. The rest, naka-white pots silang lahat. Kaya, ayan, good luck sa magiging winner natin. I will be announcing the winner at the end of this month. Then, once may winner na tayo, immediately we can start shipping yung ating grow light. So, yung shipping fee will be shouldered by the winner, pero sobrang panalo ka na sa grow light kasi that's worth around 10,000 pesos. So, after yung ating grow light giveaway, ang next naman nating ipapa-giveaway ay yung mga succulents natin dito nga sa ating succulent table. But before I do that, I need to apply fungicide muna sa kanila as part of our maintenance para talagang fungal free yung mga succulents na ipapamigay natin. So, abangan ninyo yan sa ating next vlog kasi I will be explaining kung paano ako nag-a-apply ng fungicide sa aking mga succulents. So, once we have applied yung fungicide, doon tayo magpapa-giveaway ng ating mga succulents. So, if you're also interested in buying yung ating mga gardening products, you can just simply check yung ating Shopee and Lazada stores. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.